Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Respected all, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I welcome you all on behalf of Irfan Institute. The mission of our institute is as follows. According to our research, life is equals to 15% technical skills plus 85% human engineering. Therefore, at Elmo Irfan Institute, our aim is learn to achieve excellence in any technical skill by following the best learning methodology, that is, do it yourself, and practicing the three main pillars of human engineering, that are truth, honesty, and justice. To achieve excellence in both technical skills and human engineering, Ilmo Irfan offers a course which is titled as Popular IDEs for C Programming Language in Windows Operating System. It is lecture 12 of this course. Download Dev C++ for Windows. And I am your instructor Saman Khan. Let's start with lecture outline. Inshallah, in this lecture, first I will present quick recap. After that, I will present steps to download Dev C++ for Windows. Let's start with quick recap. In previous lecture, I presented basics of Dev C++ along with its features and system requirements. Focus of this lecture is to download latest version of Dev C++ for Windows. Let's move to steps to download Dev C++ for Windows. The system and software specifications to download latest version of Dev C++ for Windows operating system are as follows. Operating system is Windows 10. Software name is Dev C++. Dev C++ version is 6.3. It is downloaded on 31st of July 2022. It is to note that Dev C++ 6.3 can be downloaded for Windows 7, Windows 8.1 and Windows 10. Inshallah, I will follow the following steps to download Dev C++ 6.3 for Windows 10. Step 1 is search and access official website of Dev C++. To complete this step, open your favorite web browser. I will use Google Chrome web browsers to complete this step. I will follow the same steps to open the web browsers as I done in previous lectures of this course. Let's move to desktop screen and click on Google Chrome. Alhamdulillah, Google Chrome has been opened successfully. In the search bar of your web browsers, search for official website of Dev C++ and press enter key. This search query will give you many results. Click on first link, that is home Dev C++ official website. Set the path where you want to download Dev C++ setup file. I will select the downloads folder. After setting your desired path, click on save button. As you click on save button, it will start download Dev C++ setup file for Windows 10. It will take less than 3 minutes to download Dev C++ setup file. Alhamdulillah, Dev C++ 6.3 setup file is downloaded successfully. Now let's move to next step, that is verify download of Dev C++ setup file. To verify, first go to your desktop screen and click on this PC icon. It will open a folder window. From there, go to your folder where you save the setup file of Dev C++. In my case, it is downloads folder. You can see that Dev C++ 6.3 setup file is present here but in zip folder. Extract this setup file from the zip folder in the same folder. In my case, it is download folder. As you can see, setup file has been extracted here in the downloads folder. This verifies that latest version of Dev C++ is downloaded on my computer, Alhamdulillah. To summarize, I used a three-step process to completely and correctly download dev C++ setup file for Windows operating system. To do and your turn task. To do task for this part of lecture is download dev C++ setup file on your computer with Windows operating system as shown in this lecture. Your turn task is download the latest version of Guinea IDE for Windows operating system by following the steps mentioned in this lecture. Now let's move to lecture summary. To summarize in this lecture, first I presented how to search and access the official website of Dev C++ using Google. After that, I showed how to download latest version of Dev C++ setup file from its official website. And finally, I presented how to verify that the download process was successfully completed. In next lecture, inshallah, in next lecture, I will present a simple and step-by-step process to install Dev C++ on my computer. Allama ibn Noman, Nurul Murtada said, there is consensus among all religious scholars that reciting Durud Sharif and Rasul Akram is superior among all good deeds. May Allah give us the strength to recite Durud Sharif abundantly. Ameen. We shall be thankful to you if you may please provide your valuable feedback on this lecture. Jazakumullahu khair. May Allah bless all of us with His afiyat and karam. Ameen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.